If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Gbop Tech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as Gbop Tech TV. If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered.
Hello, welcome once again. The name still remains Gbop Tech TV. Today we are going to learn how to make a different money online. And now in today, sorry for me to say, we are only to invest a little with the at least an amount of 20 cedis to start making this money. Investing this money is for you to use this money to mine in cedis, and this website work worldwide anywhere you are. So if you know you are in USA using this, you need a minimum amount of $2 to start this. So when you have $2, you can start making more money with this website. Now, if you know you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, move it to all. Anytime that we upload a new video, you'll be notified. If you know you are already an old member, please give us a like, comment, and share this video for it to go viral for others to also receive this video. Now, for us not to waste time, let's jump into this. Now, check in the description, there is a link there. Just use that link and it will move you to the registration form. They just need some requirement that you just follow the steps and register. After you finish registering, this is how your dashboard will look like. Now, I'm opening my own for you because I already have an account. As we all know, in Gbop Tech TV, we learn how to make money online. As me being the CEO and also the director of this channel, I always need a proof before making a video of something to my viewers. Because of that, I first tried this website. I invested 20 Ghana Cedis and trade with it for 1 week. So I earn a commission out from it, including my money, and I draw out from it. And this is the remaining balance left is 967 Ghana Cedis, which is 0.96 Ghana Cedis, as you know, is pesos. So this is how the interface or the dashboard of this website will look like. As we will not waste time, you see, we have your name will be on top. We have invitation code. This is the code that people need to use to create their account. So when you use my link, my code will automatically be there for you to use and create your account. Now when you finish, your own will be 0.000 Ghana Cedis. We have withdrawal and top up. All you need to do is just to type on this top up. When you tap on this top up, we have many ways of topping up. You can use bank transfer, MTN mobile money, USDT, or Voda Cash. So, or any of them that you want, you use. So if you know you are not in Ghana, you are anywhere, you can use your USDT wallet to recharge in this and start trading. Now let's go to how we make the money from this website. Now in the middle, we have shopping. We have down there is home. The other one, there are no names listed. I'm only using my name to show. As you all know, home sign, and the other one is the last one at the right hand side is my account. So currently the dashboard is with my account. So you tap on the middle one, which is shopping. So when you tap on this shopping, we are going to trade with this money that we invested. So we are going to this platform work with many companies. You see it. So the first one, which is VIP1, need 20 Ghana Cedis to unlock this for you to start what? Trading. This one 500 Ghana Cedis, this one 3,000 Ghana Cedis, this one 1,000 Ghana Cedis, 10,000 Ghana Cedis, and this one 50,000 Ghana Cedis, which is the AB, and the last one Amazon is 10,000 Ghana Cedis, which is 100 million. So with this as the lowest, that if you are poor as I am, that I use 20 cedis to try this and earn my small token. And we know in making money online free like this can never make us rich, but it gives us our passive income. If only you invest yourself into all this website, at the end of every week, maybe you cash out from this website and each even give you 10 cedis, and you are working with 10 website, you earn 100 cedis just for doing nothing by using your phone. Even within a month, you can even buy a new phone. And this website that I'm always using are very legit. And if you don't want any invest and you are not interested in investing of this 20 Ghana Cedis, you can just hit me at the comment section and I'll make a different video of you making free money. And if you don't want to waste to check in my videos, there are videos there that you make a free money online without investing. So when you open this ad for it, so you use that one to what? Make like to trade, and you'll be earning a commission instantly. Every day we have a normal requirement that you reach, and the following day you start. You will lost your money. Your money will not lost. You won't lost anything. Your money is always increasing while you are current in this website mining. When you reach your normal requirement at a day that they will give you to mine, you stop. For the following day you start. So when you finish in every 24 hours, you start again. So that is how this website is. So we will end here, and if you don't understand anything here, please hit me up and we'll continue from the next episode. Thank you.